In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currency on PayPal. Whether you're planning an international trip or managing transactions in different currencies, PayPal offers a convenient way to handle your money efficiently. By the end of this guide, you'll be confidently navigating through currency conversion with ease. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. This is your starting point. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard with various options laid out before you. Look for the Wallet option, typically located at the top or side of the page. This is where all your payment methods are stored, from credit cards to bank accounts, and it's also where you'll find your PayPal balance. Clicking on Wallet will take you to a comprehensive overview of your financial setup. Here, you'll see your current PayPal balance in your primary currency. To start the conversion process, you'll need to click on the balance itself. This action will open up more details about your funds, giving you a snapshot of what you're working with. Next, find the ellipsis, or the three dots, which represent additional options. Clicking on these dots will bring up several operations you can perform. Your objective here is to find and select Manage Currencies. This option might be tucked away, but it's crucial, as it brings up the page where you can handle different currencies at will. On the Manage Currencies page, you'll see a list of available currencies. Here, you can add a new currency that you wish to convert your balance into. It's as simple as selecting a currency from the drop-down menu. Once you've picked the desired currency, go ahead and click Add Currency. Now, with your second currency successfully added, the next step is to perform the actual conversion of your funds. Look for the Currency Converter, which will often be highlighted or easy to spot on the page. This tool enables you to determine how much money you will receive once the conversion is complete. Select the currency you're converting from, as well as the currency you're converting to. Enter the amount you wish to convert, and the tool will provide you with the equivalent value in your desired currency. PayPal will also usually display the current exchange rate and any associated fees for the conversion. Once you're satisfied with the conversion details, make sure everything is correct before proceeding. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the conversion. After that, your balance will be updated to reflect your new currency, and you're all set. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to converting currency on PayPal. Remember to always check the exchange rates and be mindful of any fees associated with the conversion to ensure you're making the most of your money. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical tips and guides. Happy converting!